Just shove
Okay,
it
so
in your
Max, you're gonna eat one baby carrot, and you can stay up how many minutes longer tonight?
mouth. 15.
Okay. Do it, ma'am. You have to eat it in 1 minute.
Yeah, you can't take forever.
Yeah. 59,
on your phone.
58, 50,
okay.
no, 7,
It's
57,
10:27.
57,
Just take a bite.
54, 53, 52,
Ethan.
51.
Stop putting pressure on me.
49.
No pressure on the boy.
Bite it. Bite it, Max. Chew it. Chew it. You have to chew
Don't.
it.
Just chug it down, dude. Chug it down.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't.
You couldn't even do it?
It's way too hard.
Sorry.
You can't eat a freaking carrot to stay up late. You can
That's
eat.
sad. That makes me sad as a mother.
All right, go to bed.
Max.
Go.
Best thing in the world.
No, I don't eat a carrot.
No.
Love you, Eve.
I'll eat something that I hate to stay up.
No.
Please, what did I ultimately hate?
Just go to bed.
Nothing.
No, I hate some stuff.
How about this? You guys hate going to bed. So if you go to sleep in the next 10 minutes, we'll let you stay up until 11 o'clock tomorrow night.
Unfair. I can't do that